Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my journal and I'm going to be using two sticker books, the neutral boxes from Jojo, as well as Squad Ghouls from Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. So this is my last week's journal, and now we're going to go ahead and create the next spread. So it's going to be for the week of October 9th through the 15th. And this planner is called Fleur. It is my journaling planner. It's a classic size vertical layout. So as always, I'm going to start with some boxes and go from there. If this is your first time joining, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for choosing to spend more time with me. I truly appreciate you. So as always, I really love these big journaling boxes. They are so fun for me to use, and I just truly enjoy playing with my stickers. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this little ghost at the angle. These stickers are so perfect, but I want him kind of coming out of the box. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. This one's gonna be kind of higher, peeking out. There's going to be lots and lots of ghouls in this spread, so here we go. Of course, lots of boxes as well, because this is who I am and what I do. It's just my journaling style. So I'm going to layer some boxes here and there. I think that will help me kind of break up my journaling. So I like to layer them and kind of have fun with the way I place them. So just like so, kind of making them interlock. Okay. I hope your guys' week is going well and that everybody is staying happy and healthy. Let me know if you guys are having a good week or if there's something going on. But anyway, these little ghouls are from Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. You can use Kasha 15 for 15% off because I am a PR person for her shop. But even prior to that, I was buying her stickers because they are absolutely stunning. So if you guys are a sucker for really good sticker art, well, she's probably one of my favorites. There's not very many that I would say I like more than her stickers. So take a look at these little ghosts. They're so adorable, and she's making all sorts of ghosts for the fall. So the funny story for this was her daughter wanted some ghosts, and she was asking what kind, and then she posted on Instagram to see what kind of ghosts people wanted, and that's how we ended up with all of these really cute ones. So kind of amazing for an accidental art, right? Okay, so I also pulled out this really old washi I have. It's lacy, but it's probably, I don't know, like so many years old. And I'm gonna use that in the spread as well, kind of finishing up as finishing touches of this before I add more ghosts. But it is it's kind of different, so I thought that was fun. Look at this. Look how cute. It's black, it's lacy, but has hearts in it. These ghosts are cute. I think everything is going as it should. So look at this. Super cute. I really like how this came out. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it. It is a little glossy and shiny. And like I said, it is super old. I probably had it from like 9 years ago when I was doing scrapbooking. Probably bought it at like $8 section at some point somewhere. Okay, so I'm gonna just add that because it's the perfect length and it kind of finishes the touch up there. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side and add this little lovely piece right there. Kind of different, I know, a little bit. Do you guys keep your art supplies for a long time, or do you, if you don't use it, do you dispose of it? What do you do with your stuff? Because I seem to be collecting stuff from way back when, and it's in boxes, and then one day I dig through it and I'm like, oh yeah, I should use this. So that's kind of how my life goes. I mean, everything is pretty organized, but it's sitting in boxes. So sometimes I don't open every box, even though they're clear. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna add this washi on this side too to kind of balance it. Kind of different. So there we go. I'm gonna cut this really quickly, like so. Okay. It's coming along, you guys. I love when my spreads come along and then I can already imagine writing in them. So here we go. I need more ghosts for sure. I'm trying to see if I can use this piece somewhere because I don't have a lot of this washi. It is super short and I really like it. I didn't realize how much I like it until I started using it. So there we go. That's gonna be, I think I'm gonna leave the washi alone now. We need a few more ghosts, you guys, because I stick and adore these ghouls. So let's add them. They are called again Squad Ghouls from Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. The link is in my description. I think they're one of her best-selling things right now. I mean, they're so cute. How can it not, right? I really want the ghost with the dog, you guys. This is not optional. So he's going to be right there, especially because it's a little white dog. If you guys have seen Toa, that's exactly what he is. He's a little white Westie. So I am obsessed. Okay, let's add a couple more because I'm going to add this parent and a baby ghost. I think that's super cute. I'm going to kind of, yeah, adjust it to the corner, and I think that works pretty well. Okay, I need a couple more boxes because I love layering, and I think that's gonna work quite well. I'm gonna add one more right here as well. Look, it's touching his little head. So funny. Okay, I'm gonna add one right there. Okay. So yeah, now it kind of is like building blocks. At some point I have to stop interlocking them, but I don't know when. I just love doing this. So, okay. This is like playing Legos with stickers, you guys, at least for me. Okay, so I am looking at this and it's so crooked. Oh my lord. What is wrong with my brain? I think one side has to be like skewed or something. Okay, so now, do you guys see this little book goal? That's so cute. Let's add him maybe here. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then I for sure need one more ghost on the other side to balance this, since all of these are so busy. So let's add the one with the cat on the head. Since I have a dog one, let's add a cat one. Let's be fair. Okay. And I think that's it. I think I really like this spread. I'm going to pop it back into my planner and see how it looks and go from there. I love storing my stickers in those envelopes from Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. Her envelopes are so superb and they come in so many colors depending on what you order. But yes, so again, those two sticker collections are both from different Jojos, and I love how it came out. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye!